They used to say life in America is much easier if you have three friends: a doctor, a lawyer, and an auto mechanic. A doctor keeps you healthy, a lawyer keeps you safe, but an auto mechanic keeps you and your family going. Over 90% of households in America have at least one vehicle. So we can easily say that this business is here to stay. Everything we own needs some TLC once in a while, which includes our cars. Let's see what an auto repair shop is worth.
Hi, I am Bharat Kanodia. I am here to share with you secrets of valuations so that you can use them to your advantage.
There are over 260,000 auto repair shops in America, employing about 500,000 people and making $70 billion in annual revenue. 80% of these shops are privately owned. There are 4 trends that are reshaping this industry as we speak.
1. Leasing versus buying. Millennials, one of the largest projected consumer of cars, prefer to lease from dealerships and use rideshare services often. Leased vehicles are serviced and repaired at the dealership. 2. Car life expectancy. Modern vehicles are built to last longer, which means more required services for older models, including repairs and part replacements.
3. Environmentally friendly vehicles. The demand for these vehicles is on the rise. Many of these models require expensive parts, certified tech training, and software upgrades from the manufacturer.
4. Shortage of labor. The increased demand for more tech-savvy mechanics has added pressure on the already limited amount of experience and qualified technicians. Rule of thumb. Tell me if you've heard these before. Make sure you never lose your information by having 3 copies of your files. You shouldn't take out more in student loans than you expect to make in your first year on the job. The stock market's long-term average return is 10%. These are more guidelines than rules and can be used to help you achieve your financial success.
Auto repair shops sell for 25 to 40% of their annual revenue, and this includes machinery and equipment. However, excess inventory is only added to this number in case of an inventory-heavy business like a tire shop. 75% of the auto repair shops have revenue of less than $1 million. $1 million seems to be the tipping point at which the value increases, since many buyers are interested in purchasing a shop, putting a manager in place, and let it run on autopilot.
There are 4 points appraisers and buyers will be paying attention to that you should focus on to maximize the value of your business. 1. Curb appeal. A clean, organized workplace is more attractive to customers. Your business will project an aura of cleanliness by adding a fresh coat of paint to your walls, and make sure your employees have clean uniforms.
2. Customer loyalty. Customers appreciate honest and knowledgeable mechanics. Customer loyalty plans with additional benefits like tire storage or drop-off and pickup, or even payment plans will keep them happy. An inviting waiting area is always a big plus.
3. Online marketing. Strong online reviews and SEO-focused websites with published pricing attract customers and projects an image of quality and transparency. 4. Suppliers and insurance company relationships. Good suppliers will help you maintain low costs, and insurance direct repair programs will keep the revenue flowing.
The demand for auto repair almost makes these shops recession-proof. This business is run on the oldest currency known to man: trust and transparency. If you can run a simple and honest operation, customers will keep coming back for your expertise, and your business will grow through their word of mouth. Thanks for watching.